Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today's session let us solve various sums given in the public examination. The most important questions related to the concept irrational numbers. So the first problem is prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. We need to prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Right? So what we will do, let us assume that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Let us assume that 2 plus root 3 is rational. Do you know what do you mean by rational number? The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Simply, we are assuming that 2 plus root 3 is a rational. Rational in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. And one more important point is both p and q should have only the common factor 1. HCF of, the note is here, HCF of p comma q must be 1. Then only it is a rational number. Right? So, let us assume that 2 plus root 3 is a rational number in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. Okay children. Now let us transpose 2 towards right hand side. So it will become root 3 equal to p by q minus 2. P by q minus 2. Here nothing in the sense 1. So root 3 equal to, what is the LCM of q and 1? LCM of q and 1 is q. 1 into p minus 2 into q, that is 2q. See, if you observe here, on left hand side we have root 3, and whereas in right hand side we have p minus 2q by q. P minus 2q by q, right? So as we know that root 3 is a rational. We know that root 3 is rational. Root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is irrational, but p minus 2q by q is a rational. Rational number in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. If p by q is a rational number, then p minus 2q by q is also a rational number, because both p and q are some integers, right? And root 3 is what? Irrational number, but right hand side p minus 2q by q is a rational number. Is it irrational number equal to rational number? It never irrational number be equal to rational number. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is irrational number, whereas RHS is rational number. Rational number is irrational number is not equal to rational number. So our assumption is wrong. Wrong. Hence 2 plus root 3 is irrational. We assume that, what is our assumption? Our assumption is 2 plus root 3 is rational. But whatever we assumed, that is not correct. Right? Hence 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Children, given 2 plus root 3. Let us assume that 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Rational number in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. What we did now? We transpose 2 towards right hand side. So root 3 equal to p by q minus 2. Nothing means 1. LCM of q and 1 is q. 1 into p, 1p minus 2 into q, 2q. If p by q is a rational number, then p minus 2q by q is also a rational number. We know that root 3 is irrational number. Irrational number is never equal to rational number. I mean LHS is not equal to RHS. So our assumption is wrong. Hence 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number. For example, 5 minus root 3. 5 minus root 3. Now second question is 5 minus root 3. Prove that 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. The similar manner, what to do? Let us assume that 5 minus root 3 is a rational. 5 minus root 3 is a rational. What do you mean by rational number? It should be in the form of p by q. So that's what 5 minus root 3 equal to p by q. Right? 5 minus root 3 equal to p by q. What you do? Let it be 5 here. Now transpose p by q towards left hand side. It will become 5 minus p by q equal to transpose minus root 3 towards right hand side. It will become plus root 3. Right? So similar manner, let us take one, nothing in the sense. LCM of 1 comma q is q. 5 into q, 5q minus 1 into p, 1p. That is equal to root 3. Okay children, here right hand side we have root 3 and left hand side we have 5q minus p by q. As we know that root 3 is irrational, but what about 5q minus p by q, which is a rational? If p by q is rational, then 5q minus p by q is also a rational. Is it irrational number equal to rational number? No, I mean LHS is not equal to RHS. So our assumption is wrong. Whatever we assume that it is a rational number, that is wrong. Hence we say that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay. The difference between problem number 1 and problem number 2 is, first problem we took 2 plus root 3 and the second problem we have taken 5 minus root 3. So the method is same, only transposition you have to see, that's all. Now coming to third question, prove that 3 root 2 is irrational. What we need to prove? 3 root 2 is irrational. So the similar manner, let us assume that 3 root 2 is rational. Let us assume that 3 root 2 is rational. Rational number in the sense, it should be in the form of p by q. It should be in the form of p by q, right? Yes. Now, if you observe here, 3 root 2 meaning 3 into root 2. I mean here 3 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will become denominator, that is root 2 equal to p by 3q. As I told you, if p by q is a rational number, then p by 3q is also a rational. P by 3q is also a rational. Okay? As we know that root 2 is a rational, but p by 3q is, root 2 is irrational, but p by 3q is rational. I mean LHS is not equal to RHS. So our assumption is wrong. Hence 3 root 2 is irrational. We need to write this procedure everything. So this is simple question. Nothing is there. 3 into root 2. Here 3 is multiplying. If you transpose that side, root 2 equal to p by 3 cube. Here root 2 is irrational, but p by 3q is rational. I mean rational is not equal to irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Hence 3 root 2 is irrational. Right? Now coming to one more question. Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. What we need to prove? Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay? So what you do? Same procedure. Let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Rational in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. It should be in the form of p by q. In the previous questions, if you observe the questions, 2 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3, here we have two terms. In that two terms, we have only, for one term we have root. Here also 5 minus root 3, 5 is not a irrational, but root 3 is a irrational. We have only for one term root 3 is there. But coming to this problem, we have root for both the terms. In this case, what we have to do? We have to do squaring on both sides. Here there is no need of doing squaring on both sides because root is there for only one term. But whereas in this case, we have root for both the terms. So what to do, children? We have to do squaring on both sides. I mean root 3 plus root 5 whole square equal to p by q whole square. Squaring on both sides. Now which is in the form of a plus b whole square. Children, what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a in the sense root 3, b in the sense root 5. A square, I mean root 3 whole square plus b square, root 5 whole square plus 2ab. 2 into root 3 into root 5 equal to p square by q square. Because square belongs to numerator as well as denominator. Square root cancel 3, square root cancel 5, 2 into root 3 into root 5, that is equal to root 15 equal to p square by q square. So 3 plus 5 plus 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square. So 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8 plus 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square. So now what you do? You transpose 8 towards right hand side, that is 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square plus 8 if you transpose minus 8. Children, nothing in the sense here 1. So 2 root 15 equal to LCM of q square comma 1 is q square. 1 into p square, 1 p square minus 8 into q square, 8 q square. As here 2 root 15, I mean 2 into root 15. 2 is multiplying here. If you transpose root 15 equal to p square minus 8q square by 2q square. Children, as root 15 is a irrational. Irrational numbers means generally it is in the form of roots. Okay. So here root 15 is what? Irrational. What about p square minus 8q square by 2q square, which is a rational? If p by q is a rational, then p square minus 8q square by 2q square is also rational only. Is it irrational equal to rational? No, which is not possible. I mean LHS is not equal to RHS. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So what to do? So our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong Hence, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Hence, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. This problem is the most important problem. They may ask for 8 mark question this year. Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Here we have plus. Suppose if we have minus over here, suppose my question is prove that root 3 minus root 5 is irrational. Then how to do? Similar manner, children. Let us assume that root 3 minus root 5 is rational. So again, root 3 minus root 5 rational number, in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. Right? So again, squaring on both sides, root 3 minus root 5 whole square equal to p by q whole square. Children, what is the formula of a minus b whole square? Formula of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Because it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Formula of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. If it is plus b whole square plus 2ab. A square plus b square. Here what you will get, children? Here you will get minus 2ab equal to p square by q square. Right? So same, square root cancel 3, square root cancel 5, minus here. Minus 2 into root 3 into root 5, root 15 equal to p square by q square. So again 3 plus 5, 8. What you will get here? Minus 8 minus 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square. Okay, children? Okay. So here actually we have minus 2 root 15 plus 8 if you transpose minus 8. Nothing in the sense 1 here. LCM of q square and 1 is q square. 1 into p square minus 8 into q square 8q square. Okay. So minus 2 root 15 equal to p square minus 8q square by q square. Okay, children. As minus 2 is multiplying here, if you transpose, it will become p square minus 8q square by minus 2q square. I mean, root 15 is irrational, whereas p square minus 8q square by minus 2q square is a rational. I mean, irrational number is not equal to rational number. That is, LHS is not equal to RHS. So our assumption is wrong. Hence, root 3 minus root 5 is irrational. Okay? They may ask root 3 plus root 5 or root 3 minus root 5. Okay? Alias root 2 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 11. Anything they may ask. Okay? But procedure is same. A plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula when there is a root for both the terms. Okay? So, and the last method, they may ask question like this also. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. What is that question? Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. The similar manner, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Rational in the sense it should be in the form of p by q. It should be in the form of p by q. I mean 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to p by q. Okay, children. Now what to do? Plus 3 you transpose towards right hand side. 2 root 5 equal to p by q minus 3. Here nothing in the sense 1. So 2 root 5 equal to, what is the LCM of q and 1? That is equal to q. 1 into p. 1p minus 3 into q, 3q. Okay, children. Here 2 is multiplying, transpose. So root 5 equal to p minus 3q by 2q. As we know that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational, but what about p minus 3q by 2q? That is a rational. Is it irrational equal to rational? No. I mean LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So our assumption is wrong. Hence what is given? 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Hence 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. These are the methods they may ask in the public examination. I hope you understood, children, the concept of irrational. Compulsory they are going to ask either 8 mark question or 4 mark question. If you practice these methods properly, you will get 8 mark or 4 mark question. So I hope you understood today's session. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it, share it. Thank you, children.